For brighter shots and better picture quality, there is no better choice than our external flashes. The HVL F43AM and HVL F20S easily extends the range of the built-in flash by up to 3.5 times. HVL F43AM features quick shift bounce design, lets you switch between horizontal and vertical bounds with a simple twist. It also supports wireless flash photography with lighting ratio control. The HVL F20S draws power from the main unit, thereby making it very compact and sleek to match your NEX camera. The bounce flashes deliver softer, even in natural lighting for that professional look. Brighten up your day with external flashes HVL F43AM and HVL F20S. Get creative with accessories. Capture it with Sony.
Oh my God.
Sony.